Your body goes through enormous physical changes during pregnancy. Any hidden issue with your muscles and your joints usually comes to the surface during this time. Your nervous system is also coordinating the growth of the baby inside of you. That's why it's so important for your spine and nervous system to be in balance while you're pregnant. I have been trained in special adjusting techniques for pregnant women. I've had so many women tell me that they felt that getting adjusted during their pregnancy helped them to have an easy birth.